This guide will help you increase your controller drift in Valorant, allowing for more precise movements and aiming. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Valorant and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the Controls tab where you can adjust various input settings for your controller. Step 2. Adjust sensitivity. In the Controls menu, find the sensitivity settings. Increase the sensitivity for both aiming and movement to allow for quicker adjustments and more responsive controls. Step 3. Modify dead zone settings. Locate the dead zone settings in the controller configuration. Decrease the dead zone to allow for more immediate response when moving the joystick, which can enhance your drift control. Step 4. Test your changes. After making adjustments, enter a practice range or a custom game. Test your controller drift to see how the changes affect your gameplay and make further adjustments as necessary. Step 5. Fine-tune based on feedback. Pay attention to how your character responds during gameplay. If you find the drift too aggressive or not responsive enough, return to the settings and make incremental changes until you find the right balance. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your controller drift in Valorant, improving your overall gameplay experience. Happy gaming!